Welcome to this Fixit channel, and today we're going to have another video that will explain how the registry works in Windows. Today we're going to take a look at Hives, keys, subkeys, and the values that are the actual data stored in. Now, you might say, well, I think this video is not for me. It seems complicated. Well, you know what? Go through it and follow my instructions, and you might feel that it's actually much easier than you thought. So of course, in Windows 7, you just click on the Run command from your Start menu to start the registry editor with regedit. In Windows 8, Windows 10, you just type regedit in the search and click. Once you've started the registry editor, we're going to take a look at HKey current user. Now, HKey current user is the top end of the values in here. So that's the Hive. So meaning that this is the top of all the keys and subkeys that are within it. So this is the top level. It is called a Hive. Now in the left side, we will click on the little arrow to expand HKey current user. And we'll click on software. Now this is what we call a key. So the second level just beneath it is what we call a key. Now we're going to expand it again. And there we're going to go into Microsoft. What is Microsoft? It is a subkey. It's simply a key within a key. So Microsoft is still a key. It's just that because it is under another key, which is software, it's a subkey. Same thing as in File Explorer. When you have a folder, and within that folder you see another folder, well, that folder is a subfolder, and the top folder is the folder, the main folder basically. So it's the same thing. So this is the subkey, and we're going to expand it again, and we're going to go into Internet Explorer. Once again, another subkey, a key within a key. So in this case, it's a key within a key within a key, within a Hive, if you get my drift. Expand it once again, and now we'll go into Main. Don't expand main, just click on it, and we'll go on the right side, which is the values. These are the values of the data that is stored within main. There's a lot of stuff in here, as you see, but what we'll focus in is the start page one. Now you see here, start page says that http www.spaceweather.com. This is my start page in Internet Explorer. If I turn on Internet Explorer, you'll see that my start page is spaceweather.com. Now say I want to change that to Google. Of course I could go into the settings, change it through the settings. It would work perfectly because the settings actually are a way of changing the registry, but in a much more beautiful way. Let's right click on this key, and of course if you are scared of changing anything, don't click on it or don't change it. Just look at what I will do. And it's quite alright. By right clicking, I can click modify. Here you see that the web URL is right here. So I'm going to erase that, but keep the http:// and here I'm going to type www.google.com and click OK. Now to have this in effect, most of the time you have to close the registry editor. So I'm going to shut it down. And in some cases, you might even need to restart your computer. It all depends on the setup that you have on your PC. Now let's start Internet Explorer. I've changed the start page through the registry editor. And you see that it's still there with my space weather, but you wait a few seconds to a minute and you'll see something pop up here. At the bottom it says an unknown program wants to change your page to google.com. And the reason it does that is because Internet Explorer has an integrated protection. It knows that viruses and malware can sometimes change the registry to modify its settings. So it wants to tell you something is changing your settings. Are you okay with this? Now I know I've changed the settings myself in the registry, so I'll say change. And here we go. My page is now Google. Every time I'll start Internet Explorer now, Google will be the main page. So I hope you enjoyed this little look at the registry editor and all of its settings. Of course, we'll have more videos coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully you will come back to our channel.